Guys here in the FM area and taking a look at the Dakota Magic Casino weather cam, part of our Storm Team Skycam network. We're seeing some blue skies with those flags blowing right towards us. The south winds very gusty near the Sisseton Hills and here in Fargo as well. Here's a look at your current conditions at Hector now. It's 47 degrees, cloudy skies, and we have 15-mile-per-hour winds, not as gusty as they were an hour ago, still from a southerly direction in Fargo. Across the region, the coldest air stapled up here in north central and northeast Minnesota. 30s there, low 40s, and generally warmer as we go to the south and west. It's 60 in Williston this hour and not far from that in Bismarck. A few showers trying to push through the FM area. Not all of this is reaching the ground, but where you see the deep green pixels, there's a chance of that. Here near Fosston, Bagley, heading towards the Bemidji area, some of that rain is mixing with a few flakes of snow out in that general direction. And that clearing line starting to push its way through the Devil's Lake Basin as we speak. Your hour-by-hour forecast this evening, if you're going out and about, bundle up. The winds will remain gusty, particularly in the south. And in the south, those winds will come from the southwest. Up in the north and to the west, we'll start to see those winds changing directions. Those showers are moving through the area at about 40 miles per hour to the south and east, so it won't be long. And in fact, by 10 o'clock, most of us will be rain or snow free. And if you do get a few flakes, it'll be just that, a dusting at best, the way things are looking. By 10 o'clock, 30s and low 40s, the wind gradually shifting directions to northwesterly overnight. With passing clouds, it will not be as cold tomorrow morning, but it will feel quite chilly at the bus stop, kids, because we'll have temperatures in the low to mid 30s in most locations with winds gusting to 30 miles per hour. That'll push those wind chills down to near 20 degrees, so make sure that you are bundled up. Heading through midday, the sun shines, but boy, it's going to have a hard time warming things up. And in fact, in north central Minnesota, we'll see passing clouds throughout the day. And I cannot rule out a spotty sprinkle or flurry as we go through our Tuesday. So the warm up, not on Tuesday. It looks pretty chilly, and winds from the northwest throughout the day will be gusting 15 to 25 miles per hour, maybe even 30 miles per hour in a few locations. Here is your planner for the FM area. As we go through our afternoon, we are expecting temperatures to really slowly climb through the 40s, a mix of sun and clouds and winds gusting over 20 miles per hour at times. 30s north of Highway 2 and near Bemidji, but we'll see some 40-degree readings down in southeast North Dakota. Beautiful fall-like scene here, snow-free for Rick in Lake Park. Here's a look at your snow-free forecast. How's that? On Wednesday, we're talking about a warming trend that takes us into the 50s. How about 60s, you say, Mike? Yes, he says 60s. Okay, we'll say okay to that. In fact, it's been, on Thursday, 3 weeks since we've seen temperatures in the 60s. That'll be very welcome for many of us. Cool front cools us off for the weekend. It looks windy and 50s on Friday to close out the work week, but no snowflakes or raindrops in that forecast.
What, Mike comes back and you grant his every wish?
Well,
yes.
He does have the special all request form.
Oh, he does.
Yes.
I get it. I need that form, apparently.
Yes.
Thank you.
The University of